Let me show you all display settings available on the Nothing Phone 3a. So first we're gonna go to the settings. Over here we need to scroll down to find display. And then we can find, for example, settings related to the brightness level of the screen. We can also enable and disable the adaptive brightness or automatic brightness. There's also the screen timeout option and also the screen attention option as well. There is also the dark theme, which is actually enabled by default, I believe. So we can turn it off in this place if you prefer white backgrounds. And then also we can create a schedule for the dark mode or dark theme based on the custom time, based on sunset and sunrise, or at bedtime if we have set up the bedtime. There's also the status bar configuration, so you can manage icons that you can see at the top. For example, if you want to show or hide the internet speed, then you can do this over here. And as you can see, lots of options that can be enabled and disabled. There is also the font and display size settings where we can change the font, make text smaller or bigger, and the same goes with the display. And of course, in addition to that, the bold text option and high contrast text, and the option to reset these settings. We can manage display colors as well. We have two options. We can have live colors or standard colors, and also we can adjust the temperature of these colors to make them more warm or cool. And then we have the refresh rate options where we can set up the screen refresh rate to dynamic, which is something between the 60 and 120, although most of the time 120 Hz will be used. There's also high that uses 120 Hz all the time, and standard that limits the refresh rate to 60 Hz. We have the HDR display, which can be enabled and disabled in this place. We have the option to choose which apps should be working in full screen, the automatic screen rotation, and the screen saver. And that is essentially it. In addition to that, if you're looking for some other options related to, for example, the visuals of the phone, then you can also go to customization where you can find the home screen and lock screen settings here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!